हमारे साथ आज बातचीत करने के लिए श्री राजीव सी मोदी, जो कि कंपनी के सास्केन टेक्नोलॉजीज के सीएमडी एंड सीईओ हैं, वो हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं कंपनी के नंबर्स पर बातचीत करने के लिए। इस क्वार्टर के नंबर सास्केन के मोर और लेस फ्लैट साइड पे ही कामकाज करते हुए दिखाई पड़े, चाहे क्यू ऑन क्यू बेसिस पे देखें या फिर अदरवाइज भी देखें। राजीव जी से अब फर्दर डिटेल में और चर्चा कर ली जाए नंबर्स को लेकर। राजीव सर नमस्कार, स्वागत है कार्यक्रम में। आप हाल फिलहाल में ही यूएस होकर आए हैं, एक बड़े हेक्टिक शेड्यूल को बिताने के बाद आज आपने हमें समय दिया है, तो पहले तो उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। दूसरा सर, उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपकी यूएस की यात्रा बढ़िया रही होगी और इस समय यूएस काफ़ी चर्चा में भी है कई सारे इश्यूज़ की वजह से। ट्रेड टैरिफ हो, H1B वीज़ा हो, लॉकडाउन हो, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो ही रही हैं। सो सब ठीक है ना यूएस में, और आपका बिजनेस जो यूएस में है सब ठीक है ना?
Thank you very much, Sumit ji, for having us and explain to you our results as well as your question on कि अमेरिका में ट्रैवल के बाद कि क्या दिखाई दे रहा है। मैं अमेरिका 4-5 दिन के लिए गया था टू मीट सर्टेन कस्टमर्स
जी।
एंड अभी तक जैसे हम देख रहे हैं, वी सी पॉजिटिव मोमेंटम in the overall growth in US as well as rest of the world. And we don't see much impact because our business is not so much hinged on H1B. As a matter of fact, Hamara Dhanda mostly is offshore, and we had announced that when the H1B issue came up. So overall, I think we are very positive from here going forward. And looking at our Q2 numbers, to remind the viewers as well as everyone, we have two businesses. One is software services. The other is what we call as product solutions, which is primarily the ODM business that we have recently acquired from Borgs. So we have seen a 6.3% growth quarter on quarter in our services business. So we have seen good momentum, and going forward, we also see positive momentum continue in that. We have also seen margin improvement from Q1 to Q2 in services business. So it has it has grown by 27.2% in absolute term from 41 crores to 52 crores. In our ODM, our product solutions business is where we had a dip compared to Q1. And this was primarily on the back of certain technical issues that came up on the products that we are shipping. And because of that, we couldn't deliver, or we couldn't ship the necessary units that we are planning to ship. We are fixing that problem, and we expect the volume shipments to start possibly end of this quarter or early next quarter. So overall, we are very happy, and it was a very satisfactory quarter.
तो राजीव सर, मैं आपसे नंबर्स के ऊपर और बात करूंगा, लेकिन एक सवाल मेरा यूएस रिलेटेड है, तो पहले जरा उस पर मैं बात कर लूँ। एआई को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा बाजार में खबर है, बहुत ज़्यादा बज़ है, बहुत सारे पक्ष हैं जो एक मानते हैं कि एआई एक्चुअल में है या एआई एक बबल है। आप सिस्टम में हो, ज़्यादा बखूबी चीज़ों को समझते हो, आपके हिसाब से क्या वो सिनेरियो है?
AI is not a bubble. I mean, AI is a real disruptive technology. It is as disruptive as the locomotive or the .com. So I think going forward, AI is definitely going to disrupt the way we do things currently. That also leads to the next point, which is that it will create opportunities because the shifts will happen primarily because of AI and the implementation of AI in all different aspects of development as well as testing and everything. So current model is going to get disrupted, and we believe that that is going to be positive because it is going to drive efficiencies and remove certain roadblocks that we currently have, and be able to deliver. And quick decision making is the thing I'm looking at from an AI perspective.
ओके, तो अब इससे रिलेटेड मेरा दूसरा क्वेश्चन कि क्या इंडियन आईटी तैयार हैं एआई के लिए, पहला, और सास्केन पर से इंडिविजुअली क्या क्या नए प्रोजेक्ट्स पे कामकाज कर रही है एआई रिलेटेड?
So I may not be able to comment on the Indian industry. I will probably comment more on Sasken because that's what I know. In Sasken, we are definitely prepared and we have done our full analysis on how we can implement AI in any of our customer engagements. So all customer engagements as of today are AI enabled as far as we can see. And we do see positive impacts coming in with the use of AI, and we see that trend, that trajectory continue. Having said that, our customers are asking us to use more and more AI and see how you can eliminate certain work that you are doing, which is human intensive. So, particularly, say, unit testing, code documentation, all these things are completely moving to AI, and we are geared and we are adapting ourselves very quickly. So I can comment on that positively that we are ready and we already have started initiated the entire process, including use of AI tools in internal decision making. Because earlier we were using Excel, and we have kind of made a comment. We have made a commitment that in the next 3 months we will not use Excel at all, but use AI-based methods for quick decision making, which are business decisions.
ओके अब सर दो तीन सवाल. इस बार के रेवेन्यूज के नंबर थोड़े से सॉफ्ट थे, वो सीजनल होता है उसकी वजह से भी मे बी. पहला पार्ट. दूसरा, आपने एक चिप टू कॉग्निशन फ्यूचर की बातचीत की है, इसको जरा आप थोड़ा डिटेल में समझाइए. और तीसरा, कंपनी ने एक एक्विजिशन किया था बॉक्स का, वो एक्विजिशन कैसे वर्कआउट हो रहा है और कैसे कैसे नंबर्स में दिखेगा?
Yeah. So, like I said, Sumit ji, we have seen growth of 6.3% in services. So, we have seen healthy growth in that. We didn't see any growth, particularly in our ODM or product solutions business, like I said, because we had certain technical challenges that we faced when we are shipping the product, which we getting rectified, and we should start the shipments of that to continue either towards end of this quarter or early starting next quarter. So we don't see that to be a major issue, frankly speaking, from a overall. And these kinds of challenges will come in the ODM business because that's the nature of the work that we do, and that's the nature of the industry that we operate in. Having said that, now going forward, like I said, things are looking very positive. We have seen good momentum, continue to see good momentum in services. ODM will start coming back in possibly Q3 or definitely in Q4, and we will see good momentum continue on that. Now, from your point on chip to cognition, we are a company which is an embedded systems product engineering services company, and we also do digital and data-based engineering with all our customers, which are in the product engineering space. And to us, the entire process starts with silicon and goes all the way to the silicon, which is collecting certain information, data, transmitting it over the cloud into the cloud system, and then all the data analytics as well as AI-based approaches that you put in place for either quick decision making and or new approaches or new solutions that kind of are getting launched is where our focus is. And today I can say with full confidence that we have made significant progress with all the hyperscalers, all the leading silicon companies, all the leading automotive, industrial, satellite communications, and consumer goods, electronic consumer market. So all those ones are really, really chugging along and delivering results, and we expect to continue to see the momentum build up from where we are today.
तो राजीव सर, $28.5 मिलियन की अभी ऑर्डर बुक है, जिसमें से $20.2 मिलियन जो है वो नए बिजनेस से आए हैं. सो नए बिजनेस को मैं कैसे समझूं? ये नए क्लाइंट्स से बिजनेस आ रहे हैं या नए तरह के बिजनेस आ रहे हैं?
ये दोनों होंगे. इसमें नए क्लाइंट से भी होंगे और एग्जिस्टिंग क्लाइंट्स में से इफ वी हैव काइंड ऑफ पेनिट्रेटेड other segments of our customer client. So, for example, if you work with a hyperscaler, you may work in certain areas with them, but that also gives you an opportunity to open other doors with other verticals of that same hyperscaler. So those are the kind of things which we would kind of recognize in the new business that we have won. So overall, the growth momentum has been really, really good, both on renewal of the new existing business as well as winning new business. Renewal ऐसे होता है, renewal works on the approach that the customer takes. At times it is on a yearly basis. So those will kind of show up suddenly in a spiky way, depending on what is the calendar or what's the fiscal year that the customers operate with.
ओके तो राजीव सर लास्टली इस पूरे सेक्टर में एट्रिशन को लेकर अभी इश्यूज चल भी रहे हैं, कई लोगों के डिट्रेंचमेंट हो रहे हैं या जॉब्स जा रही हैं, लेकिन आपके केस में एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट थोड़ी बढ़कर आई है जो मैं इस बार ही चेक कर पा रहा हूँ, तो क्या ये सीजनल की वजह से है या ये मानूं कि जो एग्जिस्टिंग एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं उनका रिटेंशन कॉस्ट बढ़ रहा है, या ये मानूं कि एआई की वजह से आपको स्किल्ड लेबर महंगी मिल रही है, सो ये कैसे समझा जाए?
In Q2, we gave salary hikes as we always do to all our employees. So that is the reason why there is an increase in the employee cost. And in spite of that, we have seen improvement in the margin. In services business, I think we grew from 2% EBIT to 7.4% EBIT. So, 3% to 7.4. So we had a 4.7% expansion in the margin in our services business, in spite of salary increase.
Okay.
And we see that momentum to continue.
ओके चलिए, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया राजीव सर, आज समय हमें देने के लिए, हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए। एक बार फिर से आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपके नतीजों के लिए, और आने वाली जो आपके टूर लगेंगे यूएस यूके ऐसी इकोनॉमीज़ में, उम्मीद करते हैं बढ़िया नंबर्स रहें वहाँ से भी, और आगे आपसे मुलाकात होती रहेगी। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर अपना समय हमें देने के लिए, हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए।
थैंक यू सो मच।